Hello, friends. Today we will study nuts and oil seeds. Nuts are seeds or fruits with kernel and hard and brittle shell. They are rich in protein, especially arginine. They are a concentrated energy source with a high level of fat. They have low saturated fat and high polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fat. They are rich in vitamins like vitamin B and vitamin E. They are also rich in minerals like selenium, potassium, iron, manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Nuts are excellent source of phytochemicals like ellagic acid, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds. They also provide luteolin, which is a great antioxidant. Nuts and seeds provide enormous health benefits. They are highly concentrated source of fat and protein. They play cardioprotective function as they are rich in protein, fiber, and micronutrients like copper, magnesium, plant sterols, and phytochemicals. They are capable in lowering blood cholesterol without affecting our HDL or good cholesterol. However, coconut is quite rich in saturated fatty acids and can be unsafe for heart if not consumed in moderation. The nuts and oil seeds should only be consumed as a snack in moderation with proper chewing or mastication. The nuts and oil seeds should only be preserved in airtight glass containers. Any exposure to oxygen and moisture can result in development of a rancid flavor. It has also been observed that nuts in which the shells have not been removed have better shelf life than the shelled nuts. Now we will discuss some nuts and oil seeds. The almonds have 60% fat and 20% protein. They are a great source of vitamins like B and E. In addition, the monounsaturated fatty acids and fiber help in lowering down the cholesterol, thus reducing the risk of heart diseases. The walnuts are also packed with nutrients like protein, fiber, healthy fats, manganese, copper, and antioxidants like melatonin and ellagic acid. The omega-3 is known to reduce bodily inflammation and the risk of heart diseases. The groundnuts are also known as peanuts, earth nuts, and monkey nuts. Botanically, they are legumes and rich in protein but lack methionine. The fat content of groundnut is double than other legumes. Groundnuts are rich in vitamins like B3 and antioxidants like flavanol and resveratrol. They can be used in different forms like flour, protein isolate, milk, and butter. The groundnut oil is used for cooking in various parts of the country. Combining them with cereals or milk powder provides us required amino acid composition. The soybean is also a legume and is the richest source of protein. It is also rich in B vitamins, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. Various isoflavones like diazine, genistein, glycine are found to be anti-carcinogenic. They also regulate cholesterol, osteoporosis, and menopause. N number of products are formed using soybean, like milk, tofu, tempeh, natto, soya sauce, miso, flour, noodles, and oil. The coconut is also not a nut. Its white flesh is rich in calories, but it's not protein rich. When it gets dried, it can be used to extract oil. Coconut water is hygienic and refreshing, but has low nutritional value. The flax seeds also have 22% of protein due to the presence of polyunsaturated fatty acid, phytosterol, and mucilage. It can reduce the total and LDL cholesterol. It also has the potential to prevent us from cancer as it is rich in polyphenol lignin. Garden cress seeds are excellent source of protein and B vitamins. They can also be considered best source of iron as they have phytochemicals that mimic iron. By processing, the bioavailability of iron and protein can be increased. They are traditionally consumed as complementary food in postpartum period as they help in milk production. They also help in regulating menstruation. The sunflower seeds are also a great supplement because they have no anti-nutrients. They are rich in vitamin E, betaine, phenolic acids, choline, lignin, good quality fat and protein. Once the oil is extracted from oil seeds, the oilseed cake becomes rich in protein. It is rich in lysine and deficient in methionine except sesame seeds, which are rich in methionine. Combining oilseed cake with cereal gives good quality protein which can be used in weaning. There are some kinds of toxins found in nuts and seeds. In groundnut and grains, we find aflatoxins. They are mycotoxins produced by fungi Aspergillus flavus. Grains and legumes grown in warm, moist climates are mostly affected. They can cause jaundice, ascites, portal hypertension, and liver cirrhosis. Long-term consumption has been linked with liver cancer. Gossypol is another type of toxin found in cottonseed endosperm. It gets into oil, but now glandless varieties of cotton seeds free of gossypol has been developed by plant breeders. Nuts and oil seeds find their use in the whole, halved, flaked, nibbed, grounded form. They can also be desiccated, eaten fresh, raw, roasted, boiled, salted, or fried. They can be used as snacks, thickening agents in chutneys, sweets, as preservatives in pickles, salad dressings, and as weaning foods. The groundnuts are rich in antioxidant flavanol. The sesame seeds have sesamol, which has superior oxidative stability. The walnuts are rich in melatonin, which gets readily absorbed. The soybeans are rich in isoflavones, which protect against cancer, heart disease, and osteoporosis. Canola seeds and mustard seeds also have strong antioxidant activity.